See, we have that weather impact alert in place for you right now. We're watching the potential for strong to severe storms. That will be the first round tonight, I guess, into tomorrow morning. And then also we have a secondary round, which is really going to pack a punch.
Yeah, we're tracking 2 rounds of strong to severe storms, so a lot to track in the Weather Center here.
Yeah.
And that's all due to the humid air mass that we're seeing and also the warmer temperatures, as well as a system will stall near West Michigan. 13 weather ball for this afternoon, though, is solid blue. We do have cooler temperatures in view and we'll be dry through a good portion of the daylight hours today. However, heading into the evening, that's when thunderstorms will start to develop, especially overnight tonight, and some will be on the strong to severe side. This view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Live view right now in Muskegon, seeing a little bit of fog actually along the lakeshore as this warm, moist air mass moves over a much cooler Lake Michigan. Sitting at 57 in Muskegon. Muskegon, you're the cool spot right now, but it's 65 in Grand Rapids, 69 in Kalamazoo, and 66 degrees currently in South Haven. Hour by hour today shows we'll likely climb into the lower 70s. We did see a little bit of a breeze earlier today, but we're not expecting to see that much throughout the evening hours today. But then overnight tonight, as those storms approach us, we will likely see those winds pick up in nature. The main weather story is the weather impact alert that we're tracking. 2 rounds of strong to severe storms are possible, one overnight tonight into Tuesday morning, and possibly a stronger one heading into Tuesday night. As I mentioned, strong to severe storms are possible, and all hazards are also possible, including an isolated tornado, especially for the second round of storms heading into tomorrow evening. So make sure you stay weather aware over the next 24 to 36 hours and check back in with us over that time frame as well. Big picture shows we do have a cold front off to the north. This is the frontal boundary that will spark storms eventually later on today, centered around La Crosse, Wisconsin. They're in an enhanced risk of severe weather today, but those storms will eventually move back into West Michigan as the night goes on. In the meantime, though, we're quiet right now. We're just seeing mostly cloudy skies for the most part and still holding on to that southwest breeze. Hour by hour shows those clouds will gradually break apart as we head into the evening hours tonight. So some sunshine will be possible before storms begin to move into West Michigan. This is 10 p.m. this evening. These storms pose at least a larger hail threat near into the south of Grand Rapids, but storms in Wisconsin will eventually move in overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. Those storms pose at least a strong to damaging wind threat as they move through West Michigan. But as they move to the south, they will likely be weakening as we head into the morning hours tomorrow. Then this is 10 a.m. Tuesday. Notice the sun is already beginning to break out. That is not good news. We do not want to see the sun tomorrow because that will only enhance our instability as a second round of showers and storms, likely stronger than the one tonight, will be moving into the West Michigan area, likely around 10 or 11 p.m. tomorrow night, bringing damaging wind risk, large hail risk, and possibly a low-end risk of tornadoes. So this is the first round, mainly in the way of wind and hail threat, and especially a flooding risk north of Grand Rapids beginning tonight at 8 p.m., lasting into tomorrow morning. But the secondary threat does to be at least a little bit stronger of a threat. That will begin tomorrow evening at 7 p.m., lasting until 3 a.m. on Wednesday, where all risks of severe weather will be possible, along with an isolated tornado. Temperatures will also be a big story over the next week. Will largely stay in the 70s, along with dew points in the 60s. So it'll be a pretty muggy week across West Michigan until next Sunday arrives as a stronger cold front moves through. That humidity will also create some heavier rainfall over the next multiple days. This is through this Friday. We're expecting at least 2 to 4 inches of widespread rain across West Michigan. Because of that, there is a flood watch posted for areas north of Muskegon, including Hart and Ludington, where they're expecting to see several inches of rain over the next week or so. But besides that, today will be a mostly quiet day under mostly cloudy skies and temperatures in the 70s. 13 on your side, 7-day forecast shows we highlighted Tuesday in red for the possibility of 2 rounds of strong to severe storms, one overnight tonight into Tuesday morning, and potentially a stronger one bringing all severe hazards Tuesday night.